How to register an OKX account. Hi everyone, OKX is one of the world's leading cryptocurrency exchanges, offering a secure trading platform with low fees and a wide range of products. In this video, I'll show you how to register an OKX account. To register an account and get special offers from OKX, visit coinaz.net/OKX. Or click on the link to register an OKX account in the description of this video. Let's get started. This is the OKX account registration page. First, select your country of residence. Next, click on this box. Then, click Next. Now, enter your email address. Then, click Sign Up. A verification code will be sent to your email. Please check your email. This is an email that OKX sent to me. If you don't see the emails in your inbox, click More. Then check the spam folder. Now, I'll open the email. This is the authentication code. Please copy this code. Then paste it here. Next, enter your phone number. Then, click Verify Now. OKX has sent a code to your phone number. Once you receive the code, enter it here. Next, create a password for your account. Please note, your password must be 8 to 32 characters long, and include uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Please refer to the example on the screen. Then, click Next. Your account has been successfully created. Next, you need to verify your identity. Click on this icon. Then, click Verification. There are two options, individual verification and institutional verification. Choose the verification method that suits you. Then click Verify Identity. Click Verify Now. First, select your country region. Then, click Next. Now, select an ID type. There are four options: Citizen ID card, passport, driver's license and residence card. I'll choose Citizen ID card. Then, click Next. Now, you need to scan this QR code with your phone to continue the verification process. First, open your camera. Next, take a photo of your document. Click Start Verification. OKX would like to access the camera. Click Allow. Now, you will take a photo of the front side of your document. Please place the document front side within the frame with the edges aligned. If the photo is clear and all information is visible, click Next. If you want to retake the photo, click Retake. Similarly, please take a photo of the back side of your document. This is the face verification step. Click Next. Then, follow OKX's instructions to complete the verification process. Your documents are under review. You will receive an email notification once the review is completed. Please go back to the OKX website. Now, I'll show you how to secure your account. Click on this icon. Then, click Security. Here are the security methods you need to set up to protect your account. Now, I'll guide you through setting up Authenticator app. Click Setup. Click Link Authenticator app. First, you need to verify with phone. OKX has sent a code to your phone number. Once you receive the code, enter it here. Next, verify with email. A verification code will be sent to your email. Go to your email, get the code, and enter it here. Now, you need to download Authenticator app. I'll choose Google Authenticator. If you've already downloaded the app, click I've downloaded one. Then, proceed to scan this QR code. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, I'll show you how to download it on your phone. First, open App Store. If your phone uses the Android operating system, open Google Play. Type the name of the app as shown on the screen. This is the app you need to download. Click here to download the app. Click Open. Click Get Started. Sign in with your Google account. Click Add a code. Then select Scan a QR code. Authenticator wants to use your camera. Click Allow. Now scan the QR code provided by OKX. You've successfully created the code on the Google Authenticator app. Now go back to the OKX website. Click Continue. Enter the code from the Google Authenticator app. You have successfully set up security with the Google Authenticator app. Similarly, you can set up other security methods by following OKX's instructions. I've just shown you how to register OKX account. Wishing you success.